Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll take you to the room tour of one of the best 5-star properties of the country, that is the Lalit of Delhi. So this is how you enter the room, and on the left hand side there is a full length mirror. This is the mirror, and on the right hand side there is this almirah whose reflection you were able to see in the mirror. It has got this sensor light, so as soon as you reach near the almirah it switches on automatically. This is the sliding door through which you can open it. There are some hangers, some place to hang your clothes on the right also, and there is this upper shelf where you can keep your stuff. And this is the leather or the leatherite which is on the door, so it gives you a very luxury feel. These are the laundry bags. These are like, you get the string bags wherein you can close it and tighten it up. And this is the drawer. It has got glass outside wherein you can keep your stuff. This is another area where you can keep your shoes and slippers. And there is this mirror again, and underneath the mirror there is this mini bar kind of a thing wherein you can make your tea, coffee. You have these beautiful glasses, and mini bar is empty. So yeah, it's a fridge, small. This is the safe. So above this you have this table wherein you get electric kettle and water. Now coming on to the left side of the room, this is this gorgeous bathroom which has a mirror on it, so you can either close the curtains, or open it from the inside itself. This is the bathroom, and on the left hand side of the bathroom there is this shower cubicle. Just pull the door open, you go inside of it, and you have a hand shower, and you also have overhead shower. You get soap, shower gel, conditioner and shampoo, which you can see is pretty much used up. This is the toilet area. You get a dustbin on the side of it. You get a phone also. You get toothpaste and toothbrush, which is the standard. There is this beautifully lit mirror and a good basin, a big hair dryer, so it pretty much dries out your hair. It doesn't matter how long they are. And you also get sockets here. You get these almirahs on the side of the bathtub. Now I'll take you to the main room, the bed area. That is the bedroom where you actually stay. So that this is the bedroom area. You can see these are the side tables with lamp, and mind you, everything that you see, the headboard and everything is made up of leather. This is the window from floor to the ceiling, and this is the view from the back side of the room. Like if you stand near the window, this is the chair, footrest with a table. Let me quickly open this curtain for you guys so that you can see the view from the room. So this is the view from the room, and this is the room from the window. As you can see, the curtain is half open of the bathroom. I'll quickly open it up completely so that you can get the entire luxury feel of the room, and so that you can know why Lalit is such a big brand and why Lalit is what it is. So this is how it looks. The bathroom is completely see-through. It becomes a part of your bedroom. It looks spectacular, and yeah, it has everything: TV, and this table wherein you can work, the lamp, the chair, some more drawers to keep your stuff. So you can see the garden and the swimming pool area from the room, and the floor of the room is wooden. It's a wooden flooring. So like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.